Hello everyone, how are you? I hope are you doing well. Welcome back to another video. I am discussing this video new indicator and new strategy. Okay, today the gold market is closed because it's a Sunday, so I will show you this indicator result on BTC. Let's move the video and I will show you its performance and explain it detail. I create this indicator using RSI, fair value gaps and order blocks, minimum fake signals, and provide accurate buy and sell. English language is not very strong, so please watch the video till the end, and if there are any mistake in my English, kindly ignore them. You can see the buy and sell signal on the screen. Now I will explain how to place your entries and where the set stop loss. This indicator is designed to help you can earn profit, and you can using it for both scalping and day trading. Alright, let's move the screen where I will show you the result. If you use this indicator properly and follow the update, you can achieve a high win rate. I will also explain where to place your stop loss. Okay, see market chain structure and how to entry trade whenever you got a buy signal. Okay, market chain the structure and SL is here now. Okay, SL is here and entry now, and buying signal here and profit now. Okay, easily profit book. Okay, see sell signal here and SL. Go to SL, structure is change, this weak structure. Okay, this is the SL. Okay, and go back signal, buying signal is here, so SL is change of structure is here, market wick candle wick red candle is here, and change structure is here. Okay, SL is here. Okay, see buying signal is here, market upside and move, downside fair value gap fill, and market upside move and profit book now. Okay, see buying signal is here. Okay, buying signal is here, but is SL is not. Okay, sure. See fair value gap is here, not SL is here. SL is here, market structure this change, market structure is the change now this area. Okay, market structure change area this area. Okay, your SL is here, this is the SL, market structure change now and SL is here. Okay, and buying entry now, and place the buying entry and profit book now, and see market structure is down and market move up, buying signal here and market upside move. Okay, and see buying signal is here, Okay, SL is here, this candle is weak now and SL is here, stop loss is there, so stop loss this area, this weak is market structure change now and market structure break this area, market structure is break, and you will stop loss is here and entry now, and buying area, buying, and again buying signal is here, and again buying signal is here, and see sell signal is here, so market dump, and buying signal is here. These indicators are best indicator of use for gold, BTC, forex, any pair. Okay, by using this indicator you can generate a good amount of profit from the market. Where you can see a panel that display your entry and exit position. For example, buying signals appear and the market start move from that point. If you see green signal, 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and 1 hour time frame. It means the market is likely to continue moving in that direction. Okay, moving that direction. Okay, so market 5-minute time frame green signal, 15-minute time frame green signal, 1 hot green signal, 4 hot green signal. Market is pumped now. See, this indicator can provide you can with excellent accuracy, and by using it you can take highly profitable trade. It's also profit for scalping. So if you prefer quick trades, this will work great for you. The script is available for a very minimum price, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp number to get it. My WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen. Okay, and if you see 5-minute time frame green signal, 15-minute time frame green signal, 1 hour green signal, 4 hour green signal. You should always try to take your entry on the 5-minute time frame. This time frame give more accurate signals for quick and profitable trade, especially when using this indicator for scalping on short-term strategy. In the next video, I will show you the result of this indicator on gold market. Okay, good luck and enjoy your trade and enjoy your day. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep bringing you new profitable indicator regularly. Okay, dear, good luck.